this screencast of viingx, we're going to show how we can access data stored in viingx directly from Excel. First, we go to Excel and set up a data source. For this, we need to enter the API URL, in this case for products, which we can easily retrieve from the interactive API documentation. Then we need to add an API key, which we can take from the user management in viingx. When we press OK, Excel is now connected to viingx. To show how this is an updatable spreadsheet, we can go back to viingx and change the price on one of the products. Once we have made the change, we can save and close the product and return to Excel. When we update the values in the Excel spreadsheet, you can see that the new price is displayed instantly.